Okay, this is named after a Portuguese person, and just kind of researched them a little bit. I'll tell you a little bit about what I saw, and then we're gonna walk down the street as well. So stay tuned. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are in Ferna, Mendes, Pinto, and I got a little information about him right here. So I want to share that a little bit. Kind of interesting. So this street turns into another street right there, which is a whole other thing to talk about. But we're gonna go this way. We're gonna go by this fireworks factory first, which is right here, which is long closed down. Let's see if we see anything in there at all. Oh, it's a dog. Well, I guess that factory has people living there, staying there. Didn't expect that. There's actually curtains right there as well. I guess somebody does stay there. Well, anyways, let's kind of run across the street here. I want to tell you about this street as well. So, Fábrica de Pinto. So that's a previous firework factory, as far as I know. Either that or an oyster farm. I think they used to have a lot of them, both of them in Taipa. Okay, let me just go back to trying to find about this Ferna guy. So yeah, Ferna Mendes Pinto was a Portuguese explorer and writer. That's kind of cool. Let me just see what else is around here. And his voyages were recorded in Pilgrimage, and I looked up Pilgrimage earlier, and it was published 1614, I think, 1600s, something like that. I'll look it up again. So he was born 1509, died in 1583, and then I guess that was published after he died. So I wonder if he even knew that was. But I'll tell you something else about him though too. I'll tell you about it in a minute. He also earned a nickname for now, Mendes Minto. Mendes Mindo, so they switched around the name, right? So let me just see. So originally it was also this one, and they changed Mendes to Mendes, and then Minto instead of Pinto. And I guess because a lot of his stories were so fabricated, so they say that a lot of his events were far-fetched and or at least at the minimum they were exaggerated. So I guess he was a pretty big storyteller, for one. Let's kind of just check out some of this stuff. So let's see what else it says. His autobiographical memoir is called Pilgrimage. Historical accuracy of events was debatable due to the many events which seem far-fetched or at least exaggerated. So there's our man right there, and the street is named after him. It's kind of interesting, and there's the book. Pretty interesting. Travels of Mendes Pinto. And then I guess Pilgrimage was 1614, and yeah, so that's our guy right there. Let's see if we can find some more images of him. So that's our man. Oh, there's even a red beard guy. So yeah, kind of interesting anyways. So yeah, this street is named after him. So he was, his book was 1614, so I guess the street might be kind of an old street. I don't know if it was named after him when he was alive or not. A lot of stuff about Macau history that would be interesting. I'm just a YouTuber, I'm not really a historian, so it's kind of interesting as well, of course. So all of this is to be found on the street as well. And I think this is the fireworks factory. All the Chinese characters are beautiful written on there. Nice little place to hang out right here as well on our street. Yeah, I'd like to play some games right there. It'd be kind of cool. I see people playing a lot of games in a lot of parts of Macau, but not so much in this part. But usually when I see the older generation, especially where it's closer to the border, you'll see a lot of people playing, I guess it's mahjong. Okay, let's keep on going down our street here. Here's an art space thing right here. Ana Aragao, Portugal. Draw is to reinvent memories. That might also be interesting to research her, but only one thing at a time. Patio Cafe. Okay, let's see here. This cafe says like burger, coffee, and art. Kind of colorful space. Actually looks kind of cool too. 3 is that's a good internet company for your phone companies. So you get your cell phone service there. And that, actually 3 is one that I have, and the phone service through 3, you can get it in you can get a phone number in China, Macau, and Hong Kong. So you can go between all the different cities and be taken care of. So that 3 is a pretty good company. Image design, is that a different? 83, 3. Look at that. It's like a whole little house built off the side of that right there. It's amazing. Wow, never really noticed that before. Yeah, you have like a whole little, so those are just normal, but that looks like it's built right off the house. And there's another one right there, so I guess it's built on the corner. Got some alleys right there. Nice Japanese place. Let's just take a look at this real quick. So yeah, that house right there is all built off of that. Looks like it's all like metal. So that metal goes all the way out to here. Right up to there. It's kind of interesting, eh? So you got this brick wall right here, and then it's built with that thing hanging like that. That's really cool. Never really noticed that before. Okay. So let's just kind of continue onward a little bit. Cool chairs there. Portuguese lunch. I'm gonna go up, I'm gonna end this street kind of up by this one thing that I really like. I'll show that to you, these one buildings. Another alley. And we are going to keep going up. Looks like we can go right here right now. Got some places to sit here. Here's our street. Ferna, Mendes, Pinto. So that's basically the start of it, where we started, and this is the end of the street right here. And then this goes into this kind of cool area, but I want to target these apartments, so let me just go a little bit further before we do. Now you can see all this stuff too. So that's Kingsville right there, that big apartment building. And then right there is a little rotunda, little circle drive. So I kind of wanted to focus on that right there, because look how cool these apartments are. You get all these circular ones, all of these right here, right? There's like 8 apartments right there, and they all got this little alcove balcony. This looks beautiful. It'd be amazing to have that as your apartment. I wonder what those would cost. So anyways, that's our street. This is all like Taipa downtown. And then this is our focus right here, this one right here. Let's just kind of go down a little bit. Let's kind of share the circle, and then we're going to end this one. The Yacht Kitchen. L'Amour. I'm kind of curious more about that history of that street. For now, Mendes. Chiquinha, chiquinha.